Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we are looking at the Simply Gilded Winter Theme Box, I think is the right term for it. This is not a subscription box. This is a one-off, you just purchase the box kind of deal, kind of like a Be Happy box. She's been doing them for seasons. There was a summer box, which there's a video for on the channel somewhere. I'll try to link it for you. And there wasn't a fall one because she didn't have enough time. And this is the winter box. So the box itself is super pretty, and we're just going to go through everything that's in here. And we are not swatching the washi right now. Okay, so you get this postcard, this beautiful winter scene. It's really cool mountains, and it's got silver foil details on the house and the barn, or maybe that's another house. I'm not sure. And you've got silver on the back, and you could in fact use this as a postcard, or you can collect them. Lots of people collect them. Ooh, okay. This is cool because I don't have one of these. I also don't know how to work this, so that's going to be interesting too. If I can get it open, let's just get some scissors. Okay, so this, from what I was told, is, and it's got film on the front that we gotta take off, of course. Oh, that's nice. Okay, this is a washi stand. And it's got this little bottom piece here. Hands over here. Okay, so this is shiny. Back not so much, and I don't detect a film, but that's okay. Alright, so somehow, yeah, sure. Okay, so that connects to that, so it can stand up. It's supposed to hold washi tape, so my guess is that you put the washi on from the bottom, because, yeah, okay, so if you have some like really small cord washi, that won't fit on there. And now I have to fight with the base again, because I am not good at this kind of thing. Why doesn't it want to work? It worked before. Probably because I had it upside down. Okay. It's always user error. Alright, so you'd have your washi stacked up. I guess it would go up to about here, so you could turn it into like a decoration, or you could have your most used and favorite ones sitting on your desk, and then you just have to take it apart to get them off, which is better than them rolling away like mine always do. So that was really cool, and that was not Simply Gilded washi. I just happened to have that sitting here. Let's see. You also get a mini album. So this is kind of like an oat color. So it goes with the winter theme quite well. It's kind of like a, I don't know, it's got like a pink undertone. It's a little difficult to describe, but very cool. Okay, coaster. These come in handy because I always have at least one drink down here. Two if I'm going to be here for a while. Like I'll bring like something with flavor, like tea or coffee or iced tea or diet soda or something, juice, and then I bring down water. So that's cute. You just put your little drink on it. That's cute, and it's got this iridescent, just like the albums from another release, and I don't think I showed you guys those yet. They're here somewhere. But yeah, that's really pretty. And then I believe if it's in here, is it in here? Please be in here because you're supposed to be in here. There it is. Okay. So It's also got a matching bookmark. So we've gotten these before and I didn't know what they were or how they worked, and we got one from Jane's Agenda, but by then I had caught on and knew what they were. So this is just another bookmark, so it opens over here and you just slide it on the corner of your page. And there is a bow charm for the mini album. And little sticky notes. And these are so cute. If I can get them to come out of the package. It's not, I'm going to keep the plastic packaging anyway, so. Okay, so this is a decent stack of sticky notes too. So these all have silver foil on the trees and the wreath and the backing card, and they're just super cute. And of course they match the postcard and they'll match the sticker kit too. Now we've got washi, which I'm going to stack up over here. And we'll get to that in a minute. Okay. Ah, I didn't see that. It's hiding things from me. I knew it was in here too, and I just forgot. So we got a pen, and this has like a very light to dark ombre, so you start with like the super light pink, and it goes all the way up to the dark, and it's got that kind of very fine glittery coating on it, but I don't know how well that's going to come up on the camera. Hopefully you can see it. We can pen test it, I guess. If I can find paper. Back of a sticker sheet. Yep. The usual piece of wax. Okay. Alrighty, so that writes just fine. And we get this Simply Gilded pouch. So pouches are like a thing lately. This year, really, I've gotten more pouches than ever before. So this is also that nice pearlescent fabric or whatever it is. It's clear, it zips in the front, silver hardware, and it says Simply Gilded in silver foil on the front. It is very pretty and quite roomy because they stuck everything that I just showed you in here to ship it to me. So it fits a lot of stuff. Lots of stuff. And it's pretty. Okay. And we got the sticker kit, which we are also going to take apart. Yeah, scissors. I don't know why the plastic hates me, but it hates me. It never wants to cooperate. Alright. Oh, it's thicker now, too. That makes it worse. Okay. Alright, so we've got a brand new sampler freebie. This is number 90, and it says Season's Greetings. And then we got the deco sheet. Look how cute! I love this. This is so pretty. And it's like winter themed. It's not Christmas themed. So if you don't do Christmas, you don't like Christmas. Fiance does not like Christmas. I don't understand what's wrong with him. Like, it's magical winter. Like, there's nothing Christmassy here, really. I mean, I suppose you could argue that the wreaths are Christmassy, but people leave those up all through the winter, especially like on towns. Like, my town leaves the wreaths up pretty much through like the end of February. So not necessarily Christmas. So there's our full boxes. And yeah, see, I wasn't fond of this in the live, and I was afraid that it was going to be like this. So I can read these with a little effort. Cannot read those. Just can't. Too small. I really wish they'd stop doing the tiny font. You know, I mean, they've got plenty of other kits where I can read everything, so I don't know why they suddenly have to make everything tiny. So you've got 4 sets of day covers, 2 to-dos, and then this list of, if you can read them, headers, and then the 4 decorative boxes, including Gratitude, which is always my favorite box. I just really like seeing it there. And then we've got our sheet of flags and deco and flags and hearts with icons on them, and all these little bow. I used them as dots in a video that you may or may not have seen yet. I used a kit in another planner, and I had a lot of trouble getting them off, but I'm thinking it's probably user error. And then we've got this sheet, so we've got a couple checklist flags up here, some more headers that I can't really, I mean, I can read them better because they're wider. So this is like Monday through Sunday. I think these say work, these say family, and this says gratitude. And then you've got the half boxes. All of these in here are strips that you can use in between boxes. You can make borders, you can do whatever you want with them. And then you got some more decorative and functional boxes down here. And that is the sticker kit that comes with the box. So you can see everything matches like really well. I really like this box. Alright, so now we've got two of these. So one's 15mm and one is 10mm. And they are this white washi. It's kind of like a pearl colored washi, really. It's not like bright white. And then it's got the gold coming down. I like those. And this one has like the gold scallop at the bottom. I'm sure this washi has a name. I can just, you know, I just don't know what it is. Actually, this one is actually packaged upside down. This one is supposed to go this way, but the label's on the wrong side. That's all right. Okay, so now it's even prettier that way. Okay, and then we've got the Stardust. These are going in the same way. These are mixed metal, so there's silver in here and there's the light gold in here. And I like it when she does the mixed metal because I think they look really cool. So this is kind of like an ombre pearlescent type background. At least that's what it looks like to me. And then it's got the Stardust coming down from the top. And then this is the washi that goes with your postcard, making it a passport. And this is all winter scenes from the sticker kits with the houses. And that is just really cool. And they have the silver foil detailing on. Excuse me while I hiccup. Sorry about that. So yeah, so that's really, really cute. Really, really cute. I love stuff like this. And it will go very well with the rest of this. So let's see. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rolls of washi. Giant pouch. Charm to go with the mini album. Full sticker kit. Deco sheet. Sampler freebie. Sticky notes, pen, coaster, bookmark, and the postcard. Did I leave anything out? Oh, and the washi stand. And this cute box, which, if you're very careful, you can flip inside out and have the decorative be on the outside, which I like to do because then I can use it to store things, you know, planner stuff on my shelves, and it just looks nicer. So yeah, so this is what comes in the box. If it is still available, and I do not know if it is on the Simply Gilded website. I believe the regular price is $60. I tried to use a coupon code because I cashed in points, and it wouldn't take it for this, which I understand because it's already like discounted. Like this is well over 100 and something, I forget what you said, 130 something like that dollars worth of stuff. So, and if you bought it over the weekend when she released it, it was $5 off. So I paid $55. The current price is $60. I think it's well worth it, but I'm a Simply Gilded addict. You may not feel the same way, and that's cool. So, you know, or you could use this like packing, like if you're going to go wild, you could put like your makeup in this, or all your favorite pens, or whatever you want. So, you know, they're useful beyond being pen pouches, in my opinion. And I think a lot of other people agree as well. So yeah, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a couple of your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Hey guys, I just wanted to pop back on real quick to show you, because this took me about 60 seconds to do. I figure there might be some people who are like, oh, you can't reverse the box. Yes, you can. So, like, this would be your new front, and these would be your new sides. And then here's the winter with the Simply Gilded in the back. So this is like totally adorable. So if you want to get this for someone for a gift, you can have it shipped to you, undo your shipping label off the outside, and then take all the stuff out, flip the box inside out, and then put the stuff back in, and you've got an awesome gift in a really, really pretty box. I think that's awesome. So anyway, that was it.